Alrighty, this is Prepper Pug, and we're doing a KC Tools unboxing video for, I got some tools, German tools.
Let us
So,
see.
let's get in for my boyfriend Shane. Everybody say hi to boyfriend Shane. Send him a message on the comments. Alrighty, here we go.
What kind of tools are in it? It's just KC.
German tools. Yeah. And we'll find out more when we open the box. We have paper plastic. And we have our Vera tool sockets in various sizes. My bits. Packing slip. Oh my goodness, my mom will love that. She loves it when people send packing slips when you order something online. Yeah, looks like we got some stuff. A little flyer from Vera Tools. So we're going to go over the sockets first. These are 3/8 sockets. And some of them I've gotten for very specific things. This is for the axles on my mom's wheelchair. This is for the front wheel axles on bicycles. The 15mm 3/8. 5/8 is for, I don't remember what I have 5/8 for, but it probably has something to do with the wheelchair. And we have an 11/16, which is for the front caster assemblies on my mom's wheelchair. And all these happy little sockets have different color bands on them. So not only do you can tell at a glance that they're a different size, but it also adds a little bit of color to your workshop. I also sent a bit of face. Looks like a diamond coated bit. And it's a Wiha PH2. Complimentary bit. Here's another Vera tool. This is a magnetic hex bit holder to hold the hex bits. And this, I got two of these, a magnetic micro bit holder that fits into the 1/4 inch. I'm going to open this up. See, it ain't no bigger than a minute, which is really awesome because I didn't want it bigger than a minute.
Can you tell us what that one's for?
I'm about to show to the folks. I got 5 of these happy little birds. And I got 5 Phillips and slotted little drivers for eyeglasses and small electronics that aren't too fussy about magnetics. So we're going to take our slotted, our teeny tiny slotted micro, and our Wiha, and it's pretty firm in there. It's only a little bit of flex. I got some Vera Posi-Drive 2 bits, square number 2 bits, and Phillips number 2 bits. So, I'm going to pop out this Vera. Very firm fitting in there. very firm. There you go. So that has been my KC tool haul. KC Tools from OF, Kansas. Studying in German tools. And this has been Prepper Pug. You have a great day and hope these tools will help you be as snug as a pug in a rug.